Whoa! Up, go! What's going on, guys? My name is Nicholas Ainsworth, and today we're going to deadlift. So who's willing to learn how to deadlift? You got people who are just starting in the gym, or those who are looking to increase overall strength. Deadlift is personally my favorite, so let's get to it. So what's a deadlift? A deadlift is a movement in which you pick up a barbell off the ground and bring it to a locked out position at your hips. Now, there's two different ways to do deadlifts. You could do it in a conventional stance or a sumo stance. You also got two different grips. You got mixed grip where you do one over and one under, which is it's used a lot in powerlifting. Or you could do a hook grip where you have double overhand grip, but when you wrap your thumb around the bore and you're closing your fingers. So first we're going to demonstrate what a conventional lift is, and then we're going to demonstrate what a sumo lift is. So first we're going to do the conventional deadlift. So for the conventional, we're going to have our feet close together and our arms on the outside. We're using mixed grip. So we're going to get down here and we're going to kind of twist our hands into the bar. You got the knurling right here. You grab under, and you can see when I twist my hand, you can almost see the roll of the skin in the hand right there. So when you do double overhand, you grab. Now a good foot starting position is to keep the bar over mid-foot. That way when you go into the squatting position to lift it, it's going to touch your shins. There's a few cues into getting the lift and do it properly. So the first cue is you come up to the bar, you dig your feet in the ground, and you want to make sure the bar is over mid-foot. When you get down, you grab one hand, and then you grab the other. Just to get an idea, you put the bar over your center foot, you grab the bar, you pull the slack out the bar with your shoulder blades, pull back, engage the lats, and then you sit back. When you sit back, you want to treat the floor like a leg press. You're going to feel the tension all in your glutes. So we're going to do the lift. Bar over mid-foot, grab the bar, engage your lats, pull the slack out the bar, pull yourself to the bar, and you want to treat the floor like a leg press. And then after that, you take a big breath, you look up, and you drag it up your legs. Hold for a second, and you put it down. We'll do it again. Now, during the movement, you want to make sure you keep your back tight, you take a big breath, you want to make sure you squeeze your glutes. For sumo, this is what I personally do. Instead of narrow feet, we're going to go wide. So you're going to put, same thing, bar over mid-foot, more over mid-foot, just wide. Feet on the outside, and hands on the inside. The only difference is, instead of treating the floor like a leg press, you're just trying to split the floor apart with your feet. So that engages your hips and your glutes. You grab the bar, pull the slack out the bar. So when you squat down, the bar should touch your shin. So engage your lats, squat down, big breath, squeeze the glutes. And then we go down. We'll do it again. So, bar over mid-foot, grab the bar, engage lats, squat down, drag the bar up the legs, and squeeze. Now when it comes to putting the weight down, you just release your hips and the weight will just go to the floor. So applying those cues, we're going to see what we can do. There it is. Come on. Up. Come on. Get it. Squeeze. Come on. You're almost there. There you go. Oh!